Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Tinder button. To know how to fix or to solve Tinder button, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Tinder. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye in another video.